So this is geometry 7-143. It says, examine the arrow diagram. If a polygon is a parallelogram, then the area of the polygon equals base times height. So now you're going to, it says write this conjecture as a condition. Oh, I translated it as a conditional. So you just stick a if in front of the first, you stick a if right there and then there. I did it naturally because that's how I read them.
Yeah, I already did A, but
B was pretty easy. All you really got to do is write one as your own triangle statement.
that's C.
That's what Gamma and I, we just went through them. We only had 2 left.
So did you already, so you need help with the B with the converse?
Converse is just
Converse is just backwards, he's right. So you're going to say, if the area equals base times height, then it's a polygon. Oh, then it is a parallelogram.
Actually, that is not true. Not necessarily.
Well, it didn't. Well, first it asks. Oh, does it ask if it's true or not?
Yeah.
Okay. So the first part, but you still have to write this because it says write the converse. So that's the converse. If the area of the polygon is base times height, then it is parallelogram. And then you're going to say, is it true? Well, no, it doesn't have to be true, right? Because it could be a, wait a second.
Not necessarily true, because there are some things that aren't parallelograms that also have this times height.
Like what?
And some have added to it, like a triangle, base times height times 2.
But it's just base times height.
Yeah, and then there's, so it says parallelogram, right? Square is a
parallelogram. So maybe it is always true. You know what I mean? Because a square and a rectangle are both parallelograms.
Possibly.
So I think we have to write always true, unless you can think of something.
I don't think.
Okay. And
And
then.
we're talking about quadrilaterals, right?
Yeah. And then it says, is that all we have to do for this one? Is the converse statement true? Yeah, we're going to say true. Write a similar conjecture about triangles. So now on letter C we have to write something about triangles. Something similar. Write it once as a conditional and once as an arrow. Okay, so we can say, start out by saying if, what?
I got one.
What?
So, if a parallelogram
No, well, we got to do
a
triangle.
triangle,
Triangles can't be parallelograms.
wait, polygon, sorry, I put it as polygon.
Okay.
If a polygon is a triangle, then the polygon area equals base times height times 2, divided by 2.
Yep.
And then if you write backwards, it equals the exact same, because base times height divided by 2 automatically equals a triangle.
I got a simpler one. If
What's
a
that?
polygon is a triangle, then the polygon is 180 degrees.
Oh, then the angles add to 180. That's a good one too.
Either or.
So he could trade this out for if a polygon is a triangle, then the sum of the angles,
But if you put
is
it backwards,
180.
it doesn't necessarily have to be.
the sum of the angles is 180, then it's a triangle. I think that's true, isn't it?
Yeah.
No, it could be a line. A line.
A line is in the polygon.
Well, he said polygon though, so. Yeah, I both of these work.
Yep. I did that one together. And then if you put it backwards, it actually does the exact same thing.
So I did it with the arrows because they told me to. And what else they want? Write it as
Trapezoid area. How do you find area?
trapezoid is base 1 plus base 2. Wait, it's 1/2. Here's trapezoid.
Why do you need to find the trapezoid?
Oh, I was just wondering.
Yeah, you don't have to.
That's the area of a trapezoid.
Oh.
So it's the height over 2, or half of the height, and then base 1 and base 2 are like this. This would be base 1 and base 2. So the bases are the parallel ones, and the height is, well, the altitude right there. So then if you had the numbers for that, you just plug them in the formula and get the area. Okay, so we did letter C. Is there a D?
Yeah.
Here's letter D.
Is the converse true?
Oh, write the converse, and is it true? So mine.
Oh, mine it's true. Then it automatically equals triangle no matter what.
I use a lot of shorthand. If the area is 1/2 times the base times the height, then the polygon's a triangle. Is that always true?
Yes. There's no other that base times height divided by 2. It always equals a triangle.
Okay. Is that all of it for 143?
And then for 144, I believe I got that. I'm not so sure about the